Hello guys, in this video we have shown 5 tips to score good marks in mathematics for examination in 2021. Mathematics helps in sharpening the mind, helps you to stay focused, making calculations easy, helps in making right decisions, etc. But why students feel math is a difficult subject? One of the major reasons is that the students don't understand math properly. Math is an abstract subject. Students cannot visualize it properly. In order to solve any math question, students need to picture it properly. This lack of visualization is one of the reasons why students are afraid of math. Math. What is math? Mathematics is considered as one of the toughest subjects by many students. However, many also consider as the most scoring subject. In fact, according to some students, one can easily score 100 out of 100, or you can say full marks in mathematics, easily as compared to other subjects. Mathematics can be the most difficult as well as the easiest subject for you, and it will all depend on your strategy and hard work. Students who consider maths as a tough subject usually come up with questions like how to learn maths easily, or is there an easy way to learn maths? In this video, we will get powerful tips on how to learn maths easily. If you will follow the tips, then maths will no longer be a nightmare for you. Now let us discuss the powerful tips one by one. Let us discuss the first tip. Revise and practice basic mathematics concepts from time to time. Some basic maths concepts are repeatedly used. Therefore, students have to revise it from time to time. Understanding these concepts is quite easy. However, in order to click the weight, students have to give in lots of effort and practice. The basic math concepts, for example, multiplication table from 1 to 20, square root and cube roots from 1 to 10, basic concepts of algebra like the formulas a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, like that. These are the basic formulas and concepts which you will need frequently. If you don't have a strong command over these concepts and formulas, then you will always feel problem in understanding other concepts of mathematics. Okay. Now let us see tip number 2. Go through the topic before going to the class. Before attending math class, go through the topic which you are going to be taught. Why is this considered important? It is because it will not only arouse your interest for that particular subject, but will also help you in easily understanding the concept. Next, tip number 3. Don't miss classes. Mathematics classes should not be missed. Usually, the first class is of prime importance as the chapter begins with the basic math concepts there. If you happen to miss it, compensate the same so that neither you find difficulty in understanding the concept nor you lag behind in catching up with the rest of the class. So it is important to note that the chapters are interconnected. A single break can hamper your studies to a great extent. Next, tip number 4. Pay proper attention and work alongside the teacher. This is continuation to the point mentioned before. Along with regular attendance in the class, pay attention to the teacher fully. Work alongside the teacher, solve the questions, check the answers, and doubts, if any, must be sorted out then itself. Next, tip number 5. Discuss with your friends after class. Group discussion or group study is also helpful if you diligently work for it. Discuss important points with your friends after class. You can do so while going home. It is important as it will enhance your values and will help you grasp more. Students tend to learn more and better through an interaction with their friends. So, revision, practice, revision, repeat it. You do more revision, practice, revision, repeat it. In a nutshell, this is what the real strategy for learning maths. Though sounds as an age of old fashion, mathematics really has no other shortcut. Considered to be one of the toughest subjects, mathematics has gained huge attention from teachers and students due to its difficulty level. In order to get the best out of this effort, implement the points which were discussed in this video. Clear your doubts as and when they have arisen. Don't pile up your queries. Accumulated doubts will never help you escape the wrath of the subject. Instead, it will add up you fear and eventually you will always have a tendency to run away from learning maths. Therefore, be cordial to the subject, clear the doubts whenever they arise, be it from teachers or from friends. With every doubt you clear, you will find it easier to invade the subject more and more. This will also aid you in your revision and practice. Above all, hard work and right effort have its own way of rewarding. So finally, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Thanks for watching.